Easiest way to make an SVG file. First step, download and install Inkscape. It's a free open source program. Then as you can see, you open a file and you browse to whatever graphic you would like to use. Once it loads in Inkscape, all you need to do, select the image. Make sure it shows those little markers on the end that shows this image is selected. Click on Path and trace bitmap. Now, in the site, you see there, it's the settings that I have there. All you need to do is click the little minus or plus, if your settings are the same as mine, until you get the preview image on the right bottom to look exactly like, well, the most detailed that you would want it. So Inkscape does a fantastic job of actually cleaning out maybe jagged lines and everything. So once you apply it, there's your SVG. You can just pull it off, delete the original image, move it back. See, nice transparent background. Okay, so all you need to do is export it now. I like to export like that. Make sure you select Inkscape SVG and export. I just replaced the original file I had. There you go. Now I can just go ahead and close it. It's already saved. No need to save it again. And that's it. Now all you need to do is pull it into XCS. There you go. SVG easy. Now you can just, like normally, release, clean up what you want to delete off of this, and then redo your SVG until it looks like you want it. Great stuff. See you guys next time.